Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2024 Toyota Tacoma. This casting is by Matchbox. I think this is the second color they released in it. I'm not sure, but it looks like a nice casting. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 2024 Toyota Tacoma out of its box. And I think it looks really good with this color and wheel combo. But we're gonna start from the front. In the front you got some nice details. As you can see, it has got painted headlamp, detailed grille with Toyota badge. You also got lower bumper and skid plates, and this, I can't remember what it's called, but this big plastic piece which looks very weird on the actual truck, but Matchbox has included that too. You also get both the mirrors and windshield wipers. So yeah, it looks nice from the front. A lot of good details. Now coming to the side, again, Matchbox has done a good job here. Can't explain, it's grey kind of paint, but can't explain exactly what paint it is. But on the driver's side, obviously you got this squared wheel arches with those plastic pieces, which I guess run on the side doors portion of the truck. You got both the door handles. B-pillar is part of the glass, it's not part of the actual metal of the body. You got the fuel filler on the driver's side, so a lot of good details on the side. And if you look closely, you can see there's like a small spoiler piece here. It's not a full length but a small one. Coming to the back, again good details here. You got both the tail lamps, door handle, Tacoma, and let's see what's small here. Oh, so it's i4 Max, the name of the engine. Back, you got the bumper finished in grey with a step there, and looks like a hitch receiver and an exhaust coming from the side. So a lot of good details here, looks really good. On the passenger side, looks almost identical, only difference no fuel filler cap. And this is how it looks from the top. So you got a small sunroof. Looks like there are 3 shark fin antennas, bed which is mostly part of it finished in body color, part of it is finished in grey, the plastic piece. Interior seems to be finished in grey. Windows are slightly tinted, so actual color is not visible. I like the color of the wheels, looks good with this truck. Doesn't suit all the vehicles when you have goldenish kind of wheel. It looks good on this truck. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So there are some details on the bottom, not a lot of there, but there are some. And I think overall it looks like a nice new casting. I don't think you will be disappointed with this one, and especially if you have a older Tacoma, you can kind of compare them, show them together. Will be good for pictures, I guess. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.